Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix your cracked iPhone or whatever phone that you have using a Windshield fixing kit that you can buy from Walmart. Alright, so as you can see, it's damaged, like pretty bad. But it's not too bad. Still, you'll be able to see this crack. The crack was only there until I took the cover off. It actually cracked all the way from the right corner to the side. So when you have a crack, like, you want to fix it as soon as possible, or you don't want to like touch the screen too much, otherwise it might expand. Alright, the first thing, I'm gonna clean it. And I'm gonna use this one. Alright, so I put a little bit on top. I'm gonna try to use this one, apply some pressure on it. So I was using this one, just like applying pressure on it. It's like a suction cup. You apply pressure on the cracks, hopefully it goes into the cracks. So when you put your curing strips on, you'll see the crack is still there. Alright, you want to put it under sunlight for 20 minutes. And yeah, it's doing good actually. You can barely see the cracks now. I'm really excited about the result. Alright, it's actually been 30 minutes. It's longer than I thought. I'm gonna start to peel it off. Should be alright, I feel like. Nice. Oh, it smells like toxic. Oh, it smells so bad, dude. It smells so bad. I'm gonna die. I feel like... definitely need to put a cover on it after this. Put a screen protector on it. And now get your razor blade out. Start scraping it. Dude, look at this. It's just coming off like crazy right now. Alright, after I clean it, you can barely tell it's cracked. I mean, there's still a little bit, like, if you reflect, you see a little bit, just a little bit, like, And the corner, this part is really hard to repair. There are some bubbles in it, but other than that, it was great. I mean, if I turn it on, you can barely see anything. Like you don't even see the cracks. So it's definitely worth it. So after I clean it, you can barely see the cracks. Like, unless you reflect really hard, you might be able to see the cracks. Like, it's barely visible now. Other than the severe crack where it started, this was hard to fix. There's some bubbles and stuff in it. If you turn it on, it would be actually amazing. You can barely tell it was cracked if you turn it on. Like, you can't not tell it was cracked. Like, you might be able to see a little line, and that's about it. Like 80% of the time right now, I won't be able to see it. Like, I can't even tell. So there you have it.